Brenna in Super 5.3K ultra high definition with image stabilization.
She didn't find that very funny.
For the first time ever, live camera person. Hopefully you guys can make me out with that fan in the background. So this here and this are about the last of the pieces of that front cowl. Can't say I didn't expect that. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna build a hoop, come up and forward here. I have about this level here maybe. We'll start with that. It is 35 inches maximum apart. We'll take it from there. My bender is buried, so I'm gonna have to move 15 things. Bar welded in, so I just got this set across here for reference. So I mark center point, about 16 inches. And I'm going to bend it slightly up and slightly in, 16 inches. We get to here, and then we're going to bend it that way, 6 inches. Got that prepped out. I'll get it welded. I gotta make the other one first though, so I got one to copy and then just reverse it. I'll do everything in the mirror image. We got these pieces in. I'm pretty much out of square tubing, so I'm gonna use some round tubing. So I'm gonna use pieces of square tubing from here to here. Maybe at a later date I'll tie more back. So I'm getting ready to do up the skid plate here. Probably gonna cut half cut out of it or something. And then once I got it cut out, I'll figure out where I need to put my support bars in for it. And the last thing to do will be onto the winch mount. Before we get there, I'm gonna take a moment. Thanks to those that have subscribed, they're sharing my videos. I need you to click that little notification bell. It makes a huge difference, and then you won't be missing videos. People are, oh, I don't see all your videos. Well, click that bell, take a moment, hit subscribe, bell. Thanks. finish her off and make her a little bit shiny. Oh, Ziff. Well, we ended off with some paint. Of course, I'm pretty sure that the paint got buggered up in that -40 because both cans sprayed for like 15 seconds. Like just barely got enough done. It's got some dryness on it. Whatever. I'm over it. I'm not going to town to get more paint. Just do it. Threw some pod lights in. So we're back. We got our Tabor 12K in the front, same as the one in the rear. I busted the knob off. It's a little bound up, but luckily we scored. A knob from a Warren fits right in. Last little piece here, gonna weld in here so that our winch solenoid can mount, and then we'll get it wired up. Hopefully it works. Yeah.